Good morning, class. I just wanted to stop in and say hi to everybody. I am doing just fine, alive and well, and I just wanted to check in, make sure that you're owning your learning and doing what you should be doing. Got to say that I am proud of you guys for being able to work so much, um, kind of without me. Um, Thanks for making me feel wanted. At any rate, here's our lesson plan for today. I wanted to just buzz right through. You shouldn't need a copy for this class. Yesterday you were given this handout that looks like this. It's on factoring. Yesterday your substitute should have gone over the ins and outs of how to factor an expression. And then you were able to go on to practicing some on the other side of the paper, like the 20x minus 5. You need to factor out 5 and think about what 5 needed to be multiplied to make 20x. That's right, 4x. And what 5 needed to multiply with to make a negative 5. That's right, negative 1. I wish I was able to write on this like I am at school. At any rate, you should have had finished this yesterday with these 4 examples at the bottom. And now we can take another look at the lesson plan for today. So what I'd like you to do today is to, you can use that handout to help guide you, but again, work on this here it is right here. This skill that's in red first. Do that on a separate sheet of paper. Put your name on that paper. It's something that I'd like you guys to turn in so I can take a look at how we're doing on it. I plan to stop in after school today to pick up some papers. If you do finish this, then go back to Khan Academy and check out the things that you still need to work on. I could I could pop that up right here. I don't want to show any names over yonder here, but you can see there's a lot of scores that are low or they're just missing, and these are things that should be worked on today, like this one here, distributive property with variables. So that one should be worked on today, and anything that we're working on distributive property, all of these should be at least worked on so that you have a score in there. So I'm giving you that opportunity again today to do the right thing, catch up with what you're missing, and we'll see you on Monday. All right, see ya.